New Tool Day Tuesday, where I share with you guys unique or useful tools that I myself use that I think you might be interested in. Over the weekend, I purchased this tool. I needed a replacement. The one I had broke, and I wanted something a little bit newer and a little bit better. So what I purchased was a Bauer brand miter saw. This is a sliding miter saw that I purchased from Harbor Freight. This particular miter saw uses the Bauer 20-volt batteries. It is recommended that you use the 3 amp or bigger. I happen to have some 5 amps. At the time of this video, this saw cost 1 penny under $200, and keep in mind it only comes with the saw. You will also need batteries, a battery charger, and even a saw blade. First overall impressions on the build quality is really good. Everything has a nice fit and finish, and I noticed the glides are also on bearings. The miter saw is adjustable to any position, but there's also detents for those commonly used areas. When you want to lock the table down, just tighten this handle up right here. To adjust the bevel, it is the exact same procedures. There is a knob in the back that you can loosen, adjust it to the position that is needed, and tighten that knob and you're ready to go. If you want to lock the slider, that's what this knob does. You can tighten this up and it will no longer slide. And if you want to lock the head in the down position, this would be handy if you want to move this thing or store it somewhere. You can certainly do that with this particular pin. It does come with a clamp, and this clamp can be used on either side. Located on this side is a depth adjustable knob, and on the other side is a set screw that allows you to adjust how high the head raises. Now, this particular saw doesn't use a laser guide. It actually uses something a lot cooler. It has a work light behind the blade. It is positioned to cast a line right in front of the saw. So basically the shadow of your blade becomes your cutting line. This is actually a really cool feature because not only does your work area get lit up, you know exactly where that saw blade is going to go based on where the shadow is. So let's just see how well this saw operates. So what are my final thoughts about the Bauer 7¼ sliding miter saw? Well, I really like it. All of the adjustments and even the glides seem to be exceptionally smooth. I was able to cut through that 2x6 without any struggle at all. You could hear it in a motor that it really just didn't care. The power seems to be there. The Bauer products from Harbor Freight are known to hold up well, and I'm excited to have this saw and add it to my collection. If for any reason I find a problem with this saw in the future, I will post a pinned comment down below. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and at the very least, you might be entertained.